Hello, assalamu alaikum viewers. I hope you are well. Today I'm gonna show you how to use YouTube Premium. So let's start. Go to your App Store, your Android, iPhone, or anything. Go to your App Store, Play Store, anywhere. Search BRABE, then hit search icon, and then install it and open it. Go to this button, three dot, and settings, and scroll down and open media, and then uh, open this button, background play. Here is your, and go to youtube.com and hit enter. Open YouTube and again go to three dot and add to screen and set your name, YouTube or anything, YouTube app, YouTube, and hit add. That's it. Yes, here is your YouTube. Open it, check it is. So let's try any video. uh, how can I play without any ads and background play? So I played this video, so listen carefully and watch this video. It is play without ad and also uh, play in background. If I close this app, so open this video. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Here you can see it's not showing any ads. نعم الثواب وحسنت مرتفقا واضرب لهم مثل الرجلين جعلنا لأحدهما جنتين. You can see if I close these apps, but it's still running. من أعناب وحففناهما بنخل وجعلنا. So thank you guys. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and like and comment your valuable feedback. So thank you and assalamu alaikum.